Hey guys, Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks. I'm here at the Volkswagen Forum in downtown Berlin to learn all about the We services. I'm here with Chris, who's the head of engagement, and he's going to explain everything that's going on about how we're going to stay connected in Berlin. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well.
So can you tell me a little bit about what's going on with We?
Yes, absolutely. So we launched the digital sub-brand We as more than just a brand. It's a movement, right? We want to invite everybody to become part of We.
So can you tell me about the services that are coming or
Right.
already here in
Yes,
Berlin?
yes.
Sorry.
No, we do have a few services already. We started a while ago with We Park, which makes parking hassle-free and very easy. As part of the We Park experience, we now also offer We Experience, which allows you to make use of some commercial offers that partner companies like supermarket chains or petrol stations they make you. And this is very intelligent. It's based on IBM Watson technology, and it's geofenced, and it's context sensitive, and it's dynamic, and it's individualized. That means if you drive, you park somewhere near a petrol station that's participating in this program, you'll get some special offers for your favorite coffee or for a wash for the car. And that's what we call We Experience. We have piloted We Deliver, which turns your car, the trunk of your car, into a place where your e-commerce packages can be delivered and you can pick them up without having to go to the post office. And we have what we call now Volkswagen Connect and CarNet. Those are the two connectivity solutions, hardware-related connectivity solutions for the car. Volkswagen Connect is the dongle solution that works for used cars, and CarNet is the connectivity solution that works for new cars. And both of them will eventually become We Connect.
And then next year you're actually launching
Yes.
the
big one.
The big one.
The big one.
Tell us all about it.
That's right. So under the name of We Share, you will be able to use free-floating Volkswagen cars. We'll start in Berlin with the biggest fleet. By that time when we launch, we'll have the biggest fleet on the street of Berlin available. And it will be all electric, zero emission.
The e-Golf.
The e-Golf, absolutely. It's a very popular car. It's actually, in some of European markets, it's the best-selling electric car, like Holland and Norway. As the beloved Golf that everybody knows and likes, but as a zero-emission, fully electric vehicle. And you'll be able to use that in Berlin starting middle of next year.
Now, we were talking earlier about the pain point of rolling out a fleet,
Right.
because a city has an existing infrastructure.
Right.
And when you add in this e-mobility,
Right.
which is amazing because I don't actually own a car, so I
Yes.
need it desperately.
Of course.
But there are people who have cars,
Right.
So there's this kind of growth issue with people who have cars and the existing infrastructure that will come in to make it less cluttered and
Yes.
easier to use. Can you talk about how you're going to be handling this?
Why we chose Berlin as a launch spot is the customers here are very advanced and they are in need of good sharing services, and they like to use them. Another reason though is that you might not know it from walking around, but actually Berlin has one of the lowest number of cars per 1,000 people in Germany and even in Europe. So in Germany on average we're talking it's more than 500. In Berlin, it's less than 400. So it's actually, a lot of people are still already using shared car sharing or bike sharing or e-scooter sharing. So the city is actually less cluttered than others might be. And we're working very closely with the authorities, and they are welcoming this offer from Volkswagen. One of the best performing apps, I haven't even mentioned, it's called Volkswagen Connect. It's an app that works together with a little piece of hardware that you can see here. And it works with all Volkswagen cars going back to the year 2008.
So this actually will make an existing car smart.
Yes,
Up to 10 years old.
up to 10 years old.
Well, Chris, thank you so much for taking the time to explain to me what's happening in this beautiful space. I had a wonderful time playing all the games in the other room.
Good. Well, you're always welcome here, and everybody else. Please come see us at the We Space in Berlin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.